my name is Alifa Azzahra with student identification number 102221, 2, and 3 from class C1 Accounting. Here, I will complete the final semester evaluation assignment for English courses. Okay guys, enjoy for watching.
3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, now I want to buy some food. When riding a motorbike, don't forget to always wear a helmet and mask. Stay safe guys. Where should I go shopping? Stay tuned guys. Finally, we arrived at Manchalaya. Wow, that is a spacious room. What will I buy? Let's see. First, I want to buy a whoop snake. How much is this? The price is 3,700 rupiah. Next, I bought a Monday snake. How much is this? The price is 3,700 rupiah. What else should I buy? Oh yeah, I want to buy some noodles for today. There are so many noodles here. I'm confused what noodles should I buy. Finally, I decided to buy Kikika ramen noodles. How much is this? The price is 4,500 rupiah. Next, I bought samyang noodles. How much is this? The price is 18,000 rupiah. And last, I bought lemonino noodles. How much is this? The price is 6,900 rupiah. Okay guys, finally we have finished shopping. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.